सो हेलो गाइस, कैसे हो आप सब लोग। आज इस वीडियो में हम लोग अनबॉक्स करने वाले हैं स्टैनली का क्वार्टर इंच टूल किट, विच इज़ वेरी एसेंशियल फॉर ऑल द बाइकर्स आउट देयर जो हु लव्स डूइंग maintenance work on their bike and regular servicings, and also quite portable. बहुत छोटा सा है. It will easily go and fit into your saddle bags and you can use it while you are touring. So this is how the box looks like. It looks quite sturdy and it's heavy, around 2 kilos, and the back side gives the diagram and wherein it shows what are the things it has got inside. There's a quarter-inch ratchet, there's a quarter-inch supporting screwdriver, a flexible rod extension, a 100 mm extension rod, 55 mm extension rod, and there is a T-bar, and these are the bits, a Philip head bits, Allen bits, and flat head bits. This is another flexible extension. So let's open this up and see what we have got inside. It comes sealed pack with a screw, which you need to open it up first, and here it goes. So this is it. This is how it looks inside. There's a sponge cover और इसके साथ मिलते हैं हम लोग को 46 पीसेस. सो यहाँ पे है आपका all the sockets. It goes from 4 mm well all the way up to 14 mm. So it misses out on the bigger sockets, which comes with half-inch toolkit, but this is a quarter-inch, and it should do almost most of the things except for opening up the axle bolts for chain adjustment and all. ये है आपका ratchet. This is the flexible extension to reach out the nuts which are not easy to reach. This is the T-bar, which provides which you can attach with this kind of extensions to get more torque and open up those very hard to open nuts. So this is a 100 mm extension, this is 55 mm extension, and this is the flexible extension. So this is quite handy because in bikes there are so many nuts which are difficult to reach, and you can use this in those cases like this, attaching with it with a ratchet here, and or you can also use this with extension to make it even longer, and then use the ratchet with it. So coming to the bits, these are the bits we get, and there are Philip heads, and there are 3 pieces of flathead bits, and these are Torx bits that sizes from 8 mm all the way up to 40 mm. 40 mm is quite big. This will be handy while opening up electronic items. Or here we have the Allen keys. So this set of Allen keys are smaller in size, starting from 1.5 mm all the way up to 3 mm, and from there it continues with this these heads bits. So it starts from 3 mm all the way up to 8 mm. So these are the Allen key heads that we get. These are the Torx, and these are the Philip heads all the way up to here, and 3 flat heads, which will be helpful in tuning carburetor kind of things. So coming to the ratchet, there is a quick release mechanism here where you have to press and then attach an attachment to it. Let's say I will put a socket to it, so it will by default not go inside. So you have to press this quick release button, and then it goes inside, and release it, it locks in here, and then you can use directly on the nuts. And if the nut is way long, way inside, then you can always use an extension. So this ratchet is universal and it goes with everything here. You can use it with a bit, or you can also use it with extensions like this, and then you can use it with the extension here. So in order to turn it anti-clockwise, we have to fix this clockwise, then it turns upwards, see, and if in order to turn it downwards, then you have to shift this to upwards, just the opposite direction, and then it goes downside. So this is how it works, and in order to make it release, just press the quick release button and it goes here. So that is pretty much it, and it costed me around 1700 rupees. I got it from Amazon. So that is all for this video. Thank you for watching, guys. See you in the next.